So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to open the Excel sheet and how to save at your desired location. So if you are open Excel and you are not seeing this page, so you can do like you have to go to the file section. You have to click here, then you will see this screen. After that you have to click and come to the news. So here you can see so many different types of template. So currently we are just going to click on this blank workbook. So you will get this screen. So now we are just going to come to cell and we have to type just hello. So I'll just type hello. So first of all we have entered our first word as a hello in first cell. So we will learn more about all this cell in upcoming tutorial. So now we'll go again this file. Okay, then try to click as a here save as. So here it will ask like whether you want to save your document at which place. Either you can set as your my document, so or else you can save as your desktop. So it's depend on you where you are going to save. So according to my suggestion, try to save as your my document. So here it will ask to please enter your file name. Here you can see here you have, it's already showing book 1. So you can change your name according to your preference. So I will just go like my first talk. Okay, then I will click as a save. So after that you can see it's already saved. So in this tutorial we just learned how to create our first Excel document.